Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's a little different, and I told you in my previous video, I can't even speak right now because I'm tired, that I'll be doing different sort of videos and showing you guys what I've got planned. So yeah, this is one of the things I thought I'll do something to show you guys, like DIY stuff. I love doing DIY face masks, body scrubs, body masks and all that stuff. So this is a really good way for me to show you guys what I do in my real life, because I love doing DIYs. So this is one of it. I love using this face mask that I'm going to show you guys, and yeah, it really is really good. It really is really good. What was that? Anyway, if you want to see what I use in my face mask, what I put in there, why I put in there, how I mix it, how I apply it, all that good stuff, then keep on watching and I'll show you everything. So without any further ado,
alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to put in is my plain yogurt. And the reason why I use plain yogurt is because it is anti-aging, it helps with your acne and helps with the glow and brightening up your skin. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of my yogurt. And now I'm going to add chickpea powder, and chickpea powder is really good for, again, treating your acne, brightening up your face. It also exfoliates your skin, and it helps with oil control as well. So if you've got very oily skin, I have combination skin, which is oily and normal. So it can be dry sometimes depending on the days, depending on the weather, and also helps with brightening as well. Again, just like yogurt, it helps with brightening, so it's really really good for just giving your skin a nice glow. So I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of chickpea powder in here. So the next ingredient I'm going to put in is turmeric. So I need to be very careful when I put this in because it can, if it spills, it will stain. So with turmeric, I love using turmeric in most of my face masks or body masks because it helps brightening your skin. It helps bring back your skin color as well. So if you've got dull sort of looking skin, it will help bring the color back. It also helps with soothing of your skin, helps with acne infection like the bacteria. It also helps with acne scars to help reduce them. It helps with redness of your skin. I've got a little bit of rosacea sometimes on my cheek, so it helps with that as well. It helps with pores. It helps with hyperpigmentation that I have on my face, so this is discoloration. It helps with brightening up your skin. I think I already told you that. The only thing with turmeric is be very careful. So if you're lighter skin than I am, make sure that you use very little because it will stain your skin. Even with my skin, if I put too much, it will stain my skin too. So little goes a long way anyway, so you don't need to put too much. But yeah, just be very careful. So I'm just gonna put this much in here, which is not lots. I'm just gonna kind of mix all of these together. The reason I'm mixing this is because then I can see how much I need to put in my last ingredient. This is a pretty good consistency as well for your face mask if you want to stop here. This will be a really good one for oily skin. The last ingredient I'm going to put is for dry skin. So if you've got oily skin, you can stop here and you can use this. But if you've got dry skin, you can skip the chickpea powder and you can just add the last ingredient that I'm going to put, which is milk. And milk is really really good for your dry skin. As I said, it is again also really good for your acne prone skin, so it helps with acne as well. And also it's good for clogged pores. It helps with, because it has a little bit of lactic acid, it helps with moisturizing of your skin. It helps with exfoliation of your skin as well, very very softly and very minimalistic. It's not very harsh. And it also helps with anti-aging, which is really really good. Even yogurt helps with anti-aging as well. So I'm gonna put a little bit of milk. I've got the whole damn thing here. Let me just a little bit because I don't want to take away the consistency. Alright, now I'm gonna just mix all the ingredients together into a nice harmony. The more you mix, the more it will become a bit more thicker. If you want a little bit more thicker consistency, you can add a little bit of chickpea powder. I am happy with this, so I'm gonna use this as my face pack. And this face pack is also really good for your body. As I said, it brightens and lightens your skin, and I don't mean lightening as in taking away your pigmentation, as in brightening and just glowing, giving your skin a good glow. You can use this on your body as well. So I use it on my legs sometimes, on my chest. You can use it on your décolleté. You can also use this on your underarms. You can use it on your arms. It just depends where you need this and you can use it. It's really, really good. So yeah, let's go to the bathroom and I'll show you how I put it on. It's fairly simple, but for the sake of this video, I'll show you how to put this on, how I do it anyway. And I leave it on for 15-20 minutes, depending. You can leave it for 10 minutes to 20 minutes, depending when it dries and how much time you have. And you just take it off. So let's go to the bathroom and I'll show you how to put this on. Alright guys, so I am in my bathroom. I feel like my voice might be echoing, but I'm here because I'm going to put the face mask on. So I've got the face mask here, and what I do is just take it on my hand and just apply it on my face. I'm wearing my bathrobe because it's a bit cold today. If I wasn't wearing my bathrobe and I was wearing something low cut, I would put this mask all the way down to my décolleté, or at least my neck. This mask is very cold, so it's really good for calming your skin down as well and to give you a beautiful glow. What I do is put it on my face like this, and you leave it on for 15-20 minutes. This is my first time holding a camera like this, so I don't know how am I doing, because I'm trying to apply a mask while I'm talking to you guys. It's a little different. I wouldn't put the mask very close to my eyes because it has ingredients that might irritate your eyes. So just put it around your eyes. I do put it on my lips as well because my lips are pigmented. It will help brightening and bringing like red color to my lips. It doesn't really work too much with the lips because my lips are really pigmented depending on the days, but it definitely helps. You can store this mask in your fridge for maybe 2 or 3 days. You can wear this mask maybe 2-3 times a week, depending how much you need it. I really love using this when my skin is burnt because it helps soothe my skin and calm my skin down. Or I'll just use this mask for just a nice spa day, or just when I want to help my skin get a little bit of glow. A few more tips with this mask, or any mask really. So before I did apply this mask on, I did exfoliate my skin. I took off my makeup, washed my face, exfoliated, and now I'm putting on my mask because you want to make sure that all the ingredients do soak into your skin and help your skin the best way they can. If you've got dead skin underneath your mask, obviously the ingredients are going to take time to actually absorb, or maybe not get absorbed at all. So yeah, make sure that you prep your skin before you put your mask on. And yeah, this is it. So I'm going to wait for 15 minutes to let my mask dry, and I'll come back. I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so my face pack's dried now. Almost dried. It's been 15 minutes. I'm going to remove it now. I'm going to use this black face towel. It's black because I do have turmeric in my face mask, so this will stain. So if it's dark or black, it won't stain so much. So yeah, I'm gonna take my face cloth, wet it in warm water, and just scrub it off, and that'll be it. So I'll quickly do that. I can't do it while holding the camera. So yeah, I'll see you in 2 seconds. Alright guys, so I've just removed my face pack from my face, and my skin feels really soft and really smooth, and as you can see the colors come back, and yeah, it feels really nice. And basically after this mask I would just go ahead and do my skincare, so which is my nighttime routine usually. I'll go in with my serums, my essence, my eye creams and my moisturizers and stuff. If not that, I'll put a face mask on, like a sleeping mask on, and I will go to sleep with that just to help nourish my skin more. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can do anything after this, after your mask. You can do your skincare, you can put another mask on. Yeah, just go crazy. Also, one more thing I would say, if you are using this mask, make sure that you're wearing something old, like the clothing, or something that is low on your neck, so if something does fall, it doesn't fall on your clothes, or your clothes are not brand new or something that you love, because if it does drop on it, it will stain. A little different background today. It's really weird. Do you guys want to see my wedding photos? That's my beautiful husband with me right there, and I'm center of attention right there. There's one more, and that's my husband again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you found it helpful, entertaining, fun, maybe learned something from it. This mask is really nice.
do try it and see how it goes, and comment down below if you do try it, how it went. I think this mask could be very common in Indian culture, I'm not sure. I learned it from my family and my cousins and stuff. So yeah, see how it goes if you do try it. And make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram, which is Panda Beauty. Until then, hope you guys have a beautiful day. Be happy, be positive, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.